Hello, if you are wondering what power adapter should you use for Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, then let me quickly answer that question for you. So, if you take a look at the back of the box, we can find the information about the recommended charger, and that is something between 10 to 25 watts. Of course, you can use a different power adapter, I mean a stronger one. It shouldn't matter that much if you use just a little bit stronger charger. In my case, I usually use a 33 Xiaomi charger or power adapter, 33 watts I mean, and it works just fine. Of course, if you wish to purchase a power adapter just for this device, then ideally you want to purchase a charger or power adapter made by Samsung, as it will be the most compatible one with this device, so keep that in mind. However, of course, if you want to use an alternative power adapter, it should work as well. Of course, as long as the USB cable matches the ports. So let me quickly show you also how the USB cable looks like, so that you know which one to purchase, or just to double check if you actually if you wish to actually purchase a power adapter. You should know how the USB cable looks like, and it looks like this. So it is the mini USB-C port, the same one that goes into the smartphone. So the power adapter should have this port as well. Keep that in mind. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos.